Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about the access modifier. Okay, what are the access modifier we have is private, okay, then default, okay, then public, okay, then protected. Okay, in this we are going to learn about what is private. Okay, the starting letter should be in small. Okay. Create a variable private string name equals to Akshay. Okay. Akshay. Okay. See this what happened. I want my output. Okay. That's why I create a system statement. I give it. I want to create an object for my class. Okay. See this what happened. I want to create my class. Okay. Obj equals to new. Okay, okay, I create the object, then I want my variable, so that I call my object reference, then I call my variable. Okay, here the output should be Akshay, I think so. Okay, if I want this output inside my another class, see this what was the error inside my. Okay, it shows say if I want my obj.new inside my practice class. See this what happened. Here I also create the same object for my modify demo. Then I call the same name. See this what happened. Here I call this output game, but here in practice, it when I entering this, it shows a red color underline. See this modifier demo name is not visible. Okay, if I give it private, it doesn't work. Okay, that's it. Then we are going to see about default. Okay, in this one is this is our default modifier. Okay, now what happens? See this here. It shows the output in my class, but it doesn't show in another package. Okay, in private we have. I write here. You make it note this one. Okay, then then only you don't forget it. It only works inside my class. Okay, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, only works inside my class. This is one is default. Okay, it works inside my package, not inside my another package. See this, if I call this object inside my package in another class like practice. Okay, I create the object for the modified demo. Okay, see here what happened. It doesn't show any error, but inside my another package I have another package called modifier. Inside that I have a class modifier. Okay, inside that series I create the object for my see this demo. Okay, same thing. I don't want to extend this. Okay, see here I create the object for my modifier demo. Okay, I create the object for the modifier demo. See this what happened. I want output of my modifier demo. See that it says it not visible because it only work inside that package only, not in another package. Okay, it only works. See this default. Okay, default modified only works inside the package class or package. Okay, not outside the sorry, I give it here package. Okay, it only works inside my package. not outside my package. Okay, then I give here okay, I want to give this, I want to erase this one. Okay, I give here. Okay, here we are going to see about public. Okay, here what happens, see this, I give it as public. It allows inside my class another class, okay, and another package also. See this, what happened, there is if I run this program, see the output inside my class and inside my package, and also outside my package also. See this, I have another class inside my same package practice. I create the object for my modifier demo, it doesn't show any error. I have another package, okay, inside also I have a class modifier, I create the object for my modifier demo. See this, it doesn't show any error. Next, we are going to learn about protected. Okay, here I give it uh, here I give public. It works uh, outside the package. Okay, the package. Okay, then uh, outside the class. Okay. Okay, that's it. Then we are going to learn about protected modifier. Protected modifier. See this, what happened? If it only works inside my package. If it doesn't work outside my package, it works outside my package when we extend this class in that class. Okay, we extend it works only when we extend this class in that class, it works, otherwise it won't work. See this, if there is an error in my modifier class inside my modifier package. See this, here it will happen now. See this, yes, proceed. Oops, it shows an error. See this, inside my modifier package it shows an error. Okay, because it doesn't work outside my package uh, unless we extend the class. Okay, extend extend the modifier. Okay, extend the modifier. Okay, modifier. Okay, modifier. Okay, now it's work. Okay, but I need to create the object of my child class. Okay, if I create the object of my parent class, it doesn't work. Okay, see this, I change my child class, it doesn't show there. Okay, it work outside my package, outside my class, but we have to extend the class. Okay, that's it. I save it, there it's gone. Okay, see here, see this, the error now gone. Okay, see this area. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel.